Alright, today we will be trying we got a snack wrap. My mom said they were really good when they were first out, and now they're back. So we got ranch, snack wrap, they even have the old sticker.
Oh.
And then spicy snack wrap. Alright. So, this is a spicy one. I'm not too good with spices.
Oh, it's a that.
Stay inside.
Is it good?
Oh,
Is it very spicy? What's the spice level?
Oh, this one.
Is this spicy or ranch?
Spicy. So obviously spicy is not too spicy. Maybe you have to get into it more, but okay.
Or
Blue. That's you.
Did we get both? That's tricky.
You got 3.
pretty good.
You don't feel a spice?
No.
Maybe it is a ranch. Okay, let's try the ranch and see. Okay, we'll know if they duped us on the spicy and no. See, they're both wrapped that way. Okay, let's see.
I'm trying a ranch one. Not really a ranch type, but
Not a spicy or a ranch. Okay, let's see. So what it is really is like one of the chicken tenders fried, right? With lettuce, ranch, or something spicy.
yeah, this one has ranch in it.
All right, so what is the consensus?
This one, the ranch one, is down more. No, actually not. I rate that like 8.7.
Ooh.
This one.
And the
then
spicy?
The spicy one. This is my favorite. This is my
What
favorite.
is this thing?
This is my favorite, and so I'm gonna rate this 9.
All right,
This
so you
one's
think
good.
the hype was worth it? All us old people saying bring back the snack wrap?
Yeah. So I unwrapped it.
We figured out the whole wrapping confusion.
Yes. Spicy on one side, ranch on one side. So it doesn't like pile up into 2 wrappers. It's just one big wrapper.
Yeah, that's just how they wrap it. So whatever, if you got the spicy, that will be on the outside, but you might see the ranch when you unwrap, and vice versa.
I'm loving it.